Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the AOCHUAN XPRO. Both gimbals offer unique features and capabilities that cater to different filming needs. We'll delve into their specifications, performance, and user-friendly features to help you decide which one is the best fit for your videography adventures. Let's get started. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus features the advanced iSteady 7.0 stabilization technology, ensuring smooth and stable footage even during dynamic movements. In contrast, the AOCHUAN XPRO also offers 3-axis stabilization, providing excellent balance and control for your smartphone videography. Both gimbals excel in stabilizing your shots, but the iSteady Mobile Plus has a slight edge with its enhanced stabilization algorithm. When it comes to lighting, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus includes a magnetic fill light that offers cold, warm, and natural light settings, making it versatile for various shooting conditions. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN XPRO features an RGB magnetic fill light, allowing for adjustable colors and brightness, which can enhance your creative shots. Both gimbals provide excellent lighting solutions, but the AOCHUAN XPRO offers more flexibility with its RGB options. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is designed with user-friendly controls that make it easy for anyone to operate, while the AOCHUAN XPRO takes it a step further, with advanced features like face tracking and gesture control. These features allow for more creative filming techniques, making the AOCHUAN XPRO a great choice for those looking to elevate their videography. If you prioritize ease of use, the Hohem might be your best bet, but for advanced users, the AOCHUAN XPRO offers more control. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the AOCHUAN XPRO have their unique strengths. The iSteady Mobile Plus offers excellent stabilization and user-friendly features, while the AOCHUAN XPRO provides advanced controls and RGB lighting options. Depending on your filming needs and preferences, either gimbal could be the perfect fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.